Hi, I'm old Sneelock. Having a major malfunction in the mushroom tray problem. Yeah, mushroom trays don't hold sulfuric acid at all. The corner eats out, lets all the acid leak out, run down the side of the stump. So the test bed is pretty much defunct. So what do we do here? I think I'm going to take a piece of PVC pipe and turn it into a tray because I'm reasonably certain that sewage pipe doesn't get eaten up by sulfuric acid that's used to clean. So I'm going to use a piece of PVC as a tray now. Won't be able to get it done tonight, and we won't actually have a conclusion on this job until tomorrow, maybe, if I get lucky. So between having this issue and tomorrow's dentist work, it's going to be a little slow. I don't think I'm even going to have a video tomorrow. I'm going to try. We're going to see if we can work one in. If you have any suggestions for a new video or ways to help me on this one, questions about today's video or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. Who'd have thought the thing would eat up? I mean, it's held up to blow, it's held up to mineral spirits, it's held up to vinegar. That drain cleaner must be nasty stuff.